Yo, it's your boy Max back at it again. Today we're smashing our shoulders. We're starting off with a warm-up exercise, which is shoulder press, lateral raises and rotator cuffs, 3 sets of 10. Now it's very important that you do warm up properly before you do start training shoulders. Remember, your rotator cuff are small muscles and it will prevent any injuries from occurring. Going on to the first exercise of the day, which is dumbbell lateral raises. Now we start off with one warm-up set of 15 repetitions and then we do 2 sets. The first set being 6 to 8 reps, heavier weight, and then we drop the weight down, do one more set to failure. Now failure means any sort of repetitions. If you get 20, 30, 40, doesn't matter. Most important thing is try and keep nice and straight and really squeeze the muscle on top when you bring it up. Now remember, try not to push your elbows backwards or else you will include your back here. Remember, the dumbbells need to be on the side of you. Going on to the second exercise of the day, which is rear delt raises. Now we're going to do 3 sets of 12 repetitions here. We're doing it off the bench due to the fact then we cannot use momentum. We cannot let our chest lift off the bench, or else we are going to be using other body parts to raise that dumbbell up. Remember, try and use a hammer grip and try and bring it all the way to the top, squeezing the muscle and then slowly back down, and try and really fatigue that rear delt muscle. Going on to the next exercise, which is behind neck press on the Smith machine. So we're going to do one warm-up set of 15 repetitions, one heavier set between 6 and 8, and then one lighter set of 15 repetitions. Remember, the aim is to try and fatigue that muscle as much as you can. We're not going all the way down because we do stop feeling pain on our shoulders if you go too low. So we're just going behind our head, just on top of it, and then slowly back up again. Going on to the next exercise, which is cross cable laterals. We're going to do 3 sets of 15 repetitions here. One of my favorite exercises to isolate that shoulder muscle and really fatigue that muscle. Make sure you're nice and straight when you are doing this and the cables are coming onto the side. The reason we call it cross, because your arms cross on the bottom, and when you raise it up, squeeze on top. And also remember, fatigue the muscle. When you do get tired, go for partial reps. Going on to the last exercise of the day for shoulders, we're going to be doing upright row supersetting with front raises, 3 sets of 12 repetition, and then go straight on to front raises here, really targeting and squeezing that muscle. We decided to do one tricep exercise here, which is tricep push down, 3 sets of failure. Remember, every single set has to be till failure. Really fatigue that muscle. Squeeze on the bottom. Remember that. Squeeze on the bottom and stretch on the top. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something from it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Other than that, you know what time it is. Max out. Peace out.